Okay, if you look at it, please try to find the first digit without string functions. Okay, what is this question? Let's see. Okay, find first digit without string functions. Okay, write a function, get first digit that finds the first digit of a number without string functions. You should use only math library or mathematical normal operation. Your function should give true on a following asserts. Okay, let's check it here and put file, new text file. Okay, save as here question 0.4 and this find first digit without string functions.py. You don't need to write such a long name, but it is up to you. Okay, here we need to have something. First of all, I write do nothing and I'm running my code. Okay, then the answers of course will not work. Okay, then I need to find. We have two ways of solving these questions. Okay, one is solving with a loop. Okay, how can I work this one? Let me show you something to you so that you understand the solution. Okay, let's say this is my number. Okay, let me open up Python shell and show it to you the idea of how it should work in the Python shell. If I write Python, okay, and let's say that num is this one, okay, then if I use this integer division, as you can see, I am getting rid of this file, and then I can say that something like this, okay, then I can look at num, okay, I can again do this one, look at num, I can do this one, look at num, I can do this one, look at num, can do this. I am dividing always with the integer division to 10, then I am getting rid of this last digit. Then how can I, when will I stop? Okay, I will stop when the number is less than 10. Okay, and here 72, and here it is at last less than 10, then this is the first digit. Okay, how can I do this one? Then while, okay, num is greater than 10, okay, since the first digit it can be only 0, it cannot be 0 actually, 1 2 3 4 5 up to 9, okay, then, okay, since it is greater than 10, I know that it can be divided to, okay, then here at last I will return num. That's it. And let's run this code. Run without debugging. Everything should work same. Let me do a debugging and show it to you this solution. Start debugging. Okay. Okay, here we can see this num. Okay, I'm dividing by 10. It become 1202 again, divided by 10, divided by 10, divided by 10, and at last it is not greater than 10, therefore we are returning that one. If you look at this one, again this is the same. Okay, we are dividing by 10, dividing by 10, and at last it is not greater than 10, we are returning that one. And here again we are dividing, getting rid of this last digit, and 7 to 2, and then 7, it is not greater than 10, and we are returning this one. This is one of the solutions we can use. The second one, okay, and this is, okay, let's say solution B, let's say. Okay. Then here, since we can use this maths library, okay, I can use this import math. Okay, then here let's go to this Python. Okay, let me say again this number is, what was it, this long number. Okay, this and I'm importing that, and this is actually a mathematical trick. Okay, math nokta log 10 num, okay, gives us this. It is approximately how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then if I this one, I floor this one, okay, and I am getting this part, then again also I can divide power, and here num divided by this one, and it gives me the same number. Okay, it's 7. And with this one line solution, instead of using this part, I can do something like this as a, let's say, mathematical trick of using num divided by 10. This is the power math that floor and math that log 10 and num. And if I rerun this part, this is also a solution, and this assert should run without problem. Yeah, then this is the two solutions for this question.